Yeah, the latest CNBC Fed survey finding that the Fed expected to do absolutely nothing this meeting or even this year, and that's despite surging growth, growing fiscal spending, and inflation worries. And all of that is prompting growing disagreement between the street and the central bank. Our Fed expectations for this month shows the first rate hike not seen coming until December 2022, 3 months later than the March survey. The taper begins in January, 1 month later than the last survey. But 65% say the Fed doesn't need to do any QE at all. The funds rate hits only a half a point in December 2022. One area of disagreement, the Fed's refusal so far to alter its policy in the face of much higher fiscal spending from the Biden administration. 3% of our 34 respondents say the Fed should raise rates sooner because of it. 22% say the Fed should reduce QE sooner, and 31% say both. So that's 56% combined saying the Fed should tighten in the face of the fiscal spending spree. 34% say it should stay the course. John Riding from Breen Capital writes in response to the survey, it's entirely appropriate for monetary policy to take significant fiscal policy shifts into account. But the Fed is not doing this. Monetary policy looks set to be too easy for too long. Another area of concern, how hot the economy is set to run. That's sparking those inflation worries we've all been talking about. GDP in 2021, just take a look at the difference between our December survey and today. 3 percentage points higher for this year alone. You'll also see higher inflation rates in the survey as well as lower unemployment rates. 2022, pretty much the same, but still above potential growth at 3.6% or 3.59% right there. Now, moving on, what Fed Chair Jay Powell has engineered a dramatically new way of running policy, one where the Fed no longer preempts inflation and allows unemployment to fall to a rock bottom rate. This survey shows the Fed has been successful at convincing markets it's going to do what it says. It's not convinced markets that it's doing the right thing. Joe?
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.